Hi everyone, it's Tarnished Treasures, and today I'm making a little twist on some hot chocolate. I have this Monin gourmet syrup. It's a French product. It just has water, cane sugar, and natural flavoring, and I have it in toasted marshmallow. So I bought this on Amazon. This year I found it at Marshall's for $7.99. You can use it to flavor, honestly, just pre-made packet hot chocolate or coffee, but I'm using this sweet syrup to replace the water and sugar in homemade hot chocolate. So do half a cup or 3/4 of a cup, your preference depending on how sweet you like it. Then some powdered cocoa. I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup, and then whisk it together, or I found that a fork works better. A little dash of salt. And so stirred it and heated it up. And lastly, 4 cups of your milk preference. I use whole milk, and I'm just going to whisk it and stir it, get the sugar and the chocolate from the bottom of the pot all incorporated. Just heat it up to whatever temperature you like, adding some marshmallows, and then it's time to enjoy. So I thought I'd share this in case you head to Marshall's and maybe they have some of the syrup left. I thought it was a really good deal at only $7.99. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.